Fix the accessories onto the wheelchair tube. Insert the tube and rotate it to the left and fix it. Orient the tube opening toward left, and keep both sides are at the same height. Assembled movable pipe clamps. Secure the nuts with your fingers and tighten the screws. You can adjust the tightness without over-tightening it. Fixed on the board. Using an electric drill will make it easier. Fix the L-shaped tube on the other side. Please measure the distance of the wheelchair first. Adjust the latch to the top and lock the table board. Insert the L-shaped tube with board. Embedded anti-slip pads on another L-shaped pipe clamp. Adjust the height by pressing the spring bead and rotating the tube. Unlock the latch and unfold the table board. Clamp the slidable clip onto the L-shaped tube in the middle of the anti-slip pad. When not in use, please remove the anti-slip pads and tube clips and fold the desktop. Secure the table board and pull the lock buckle to complete the folding process.